And so my job then got to be pretty fun. I got to go with the sales team, and we would be with big healthcare systems nationwide. So Stanford University Medical Center, and then the big hospital systems in Southern California. And it was my job to sit there in front of these prospective customers in their big fancy boardrooms and say, we want your business, but I have to be honest with you about something. I don't believe the customer comes first. My employees come first, and they always will. And then I would describe to them how we took care of our employees. My employees are going to be so well taken care of. Then when they're at work, they're going to be totally focused on you, and you're going to have the best service you've ever had in your life. And for that, you're going to be willing to pay a premium because we are the most expensive in the nation. But you're not going to ever have to think about your patient statements again. We've got you covered. And what happened was pretty miraculous. Y'all, literally, people said, where do I sign? See, I saw their faces when I first said, I don't think the customer comes first, and they'd be going, what? What is she saying? But then they got it, and they started nodding and said, can we come to work for you? You got any job openings? And probably the best endorsement we got was from Stanford University Medical Center, who wrote to us and said, you were 10% higher than the next highest bid, and we still chose you because we believe in your culture, and we believe that a culture based on empathy is going to be really good for us in our relationship. And so our sales team started saying that 85% of their sales weren't anything about price or about service. It was our culture. And that's why people were choosing us. And it yielded the right results, y'all. We grew to $40 million a year with no debt. We didn't owe anybody a penny. But if you went back to those employees now and said, wow, those benefits were great, which one was most important to you? They wouldn't mention any of the benefits that I just told you. They would instead talk about the empathy that was shown to them.